Laging brown out? Why not help our Meralco or our Beneco or our electric services na malesan yung paggamit natin ng kuryente by using solar light, lalo na yung pang 8 hours or more than. Why not use the existing resources like light or araw? Sayang naman, lalo na yung mga taga-baba na matitirik ang araw. And yes, don't worry kasi quality ang ating product dahil kahit makulimlim, basta may liwanag, mag-charge. In my area, pagdating ng 5 or 5:30 basta may liwanag, nag-start na tong mag-charge. Mine is hanggang 8 hours or more ang kanyang ilaw. Basta may liwanag kasi nag-charge na siya, kaya feeling ko more than pa ito ng 8 hours or 9 hours. Afraid baka may damage kasi salamin siya? No worries kasi may refund naman basta may unboxing or video of damage. 'Di ba? Amazing! Just click the link below. Thank you! I-check out mo